we have not verified who the perpetrators were.
Guys, don't push.
I am here to make sure of everyone's safety.
Ayan.
Okay? I cannot answer anymore until I go inside. My only order so far was to secure the centers and to secure the CCTV room so we can make sure who entered, where they entered from. After that, I have no further information. There have been no reports of any casualty, and I am not here to arrest Senator Bato. Okay? I am here to secure him.
Hindi ka tayo miyembro ng ICC. Why are we insisting to carry out this implement this warrants of arrest issued by ICC? We are not under no obligation to carry out such warrant of arrest. Hindi tayo miyembro. At ang klaro dyan, lahat ito ay politika.